I just got off of work and I closed my blinds because it's so hot, but my room is looking like a hot mess, honestly. You guys can see I really need to clean, but instead what I'm gonna do is, like, are you serious right now? Bro, check out the environment. But I just threw in some leftovers from, I went to a restaurant the other day and I ordered fish and chips. It smells so good in here. It's about to be so good. But yeah, so today I'm going to just lock in on this schoolwork. I gave myself like a 4-day break. I haven't really been locked in like that, so now it's time to lock in. And once I'm done doing 30 pages, I'm gonna deep clean the whole room because I just let it get out of control and it's not a vibe. Look what I have. Hello. How delicious. Let's do like a bite. I literally love crumble. Tres leches Oreo cake. Strawberry cheesecake. Dark chocolate strawberry cheesecake. Anyways, time to lock in. One last bite of sweets. This is a cheesecake that I made. Okay, I'm so sorry. Watching this as I'm editing, this is so cringe. I was literally just stuffing my face for the past minute. Number one, I'm sorry you had to see that, but number two, like, I'm leaving that in because that's real. Okay, my work environment is kind of ready. Now let's grab my food so I can read, munch. Look at how good that looks. These are hush puppies. I'm about to study, but like, let's hit it with the flash. Now it's time to lock in. Good morning. Happy Saturday. I was gonna say Sunday. Making myself a little chai tea moment before I head out to get breakfast. Alright, time to go grab breakfast. Let's go. Watch this. Alright, I just got back. It is so hot. We will be making some sweetened condensed milk. Because I was trying to make a cheesecake the other day and I put salt instead of sugar. And I used the can of condensed milk I had. And I'm like, you know what? Let's just make it. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, I put some milk into here. A dash of this.